YouTube? It's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be the 3,000 subscriber winner reveal. And I shouldn't say winner because it will be winners. There will be 3 winners, and I will go over the prizes again towards the end of the video because my son has been sick all week. That's why this video has been delayed, and he is still sleeping. So whenever he gets up, I'm going to have him pick the winners, and then you all will get to pick which prize you want in the order of which he picked you. But in the meantime, I thought I would go ahead and get started with this video while he is asleep and show you a couple items that I'm selling and let you know why. And that way, if you were interested, you could pick these up at a great deal. The first bag I wanted to show you was this beautiful Longchamp extra small in, it's either Havana green or harvest green. I always forget which one it is, but it is some of the best snake embossed leather that I have ever seen. It's faux snake, but of course it's 100% genuine cowhide. And this bag has been used maybe once. It is in perfect condition. I mean, there may be a couple hairline scratches on the D-rings where they hook to the clips, but nothing you can see. And I mean, these little studs look like perfect to me. Like I said, I'm not sure I've even used it, to be honest with you. But it will come with a dust bag, and the retail for this bag is $510 plus tax, and I'm going to let it go for $3.99. That includes shipping. I accept payment with Zelle, PayPal, friends and family, Cash App, or Venmo. Not the goods and services kind, but just the regular Venmo. And this bag can be worn crossbody with a silver chain. Let me grab one. So I prefer to wear these bags crossbody. And if they come with the little strap like on the front here, that's a great grab handle, but I like to wear them crossbody. And of course the outfit's not perfect for it, but I just thought I would give you an idea of how you could wear it. You can get chains on Amazon for super cheap, like, I don't know, $16 or less. And then Next Fashion has some amazing chains. I've talked about them before, and I can link their videos down in the description box. This chain happens to be from Samorga, and I love it, but it tends to be kind of expensive to order from them unless you're placing a big order, because the shipping is somewhat cost prohibitive since it's coming from such a long way away for those of us here in the United States. So that is the number 1 of the bags that I have for sale. The second item I have for sale is this little cute card holder with a dinosaur on it. And this was a drawing that was done by Jean-Michel Basquiat, and Coach collaborated with his family and put together some pieces for the outlet. This is done really well. The glazing is excellent on it. It has this nice gusset so that it'll open wide. It has a little key holder that you can tuck inside or not. It's lined in fabric. And then on the outside, you've got 2 card slots there, and then you have a slot for your driver's license there. I maybe have used this once or twice, and I think I paid around $50 for it, but I will let it go for $45 shipped. And so that is the second item. And I did want to point out, it's got this really cute little embroidery right there, and the paint on it's sort of elevated off of the leather. The second bag I want to show you is this beautiful Field Tote 22 by Coach. I love the Field Tote 22, but I have 2 pieces from their denim collection. I wasn't sure what I wanted to get, and I've decided I like the soft tabby better for my lifestyle, at least in the denim. And this bag, it's been used maybe once or twice. It has this beautiful tassel from Dress Up Your Purse that has been sold out for quite some time. I will include the tassel with the bag. I think it's meant to go with the bag. And if you did buy this, it's $27 retail. The bag is $3.50 retail. I paid $3.37, I believe, after tax for the bag. And it's currently $2.45 plus tax on the website. I will sell the whole thing with the strap that it comes with, which is this beautiful web strap with the vachetta trim. I will sell the whole thing for $225 shipped, and you will get yourself a great deal. It comes with a dust bag, and save yourself some money versus buying with Coach and get the bonus tassel too. The third and final bag I have for sale is this beautiful Kira bag. Now, this is in the older style of the Kira top handle. I've got 3 of the newer style. This style was discontinued when they came out with the new model. I think it's beautiful with the chain across the top. It's in a crinkled calfskin, and this is one of the few bags that I have had for quite a while that still smell of leather. It smells so good. I can't even tell you. It's got a pretty delicious feel. This crinkled calfskin, it's sort of like a patent finish, but it's not super shiny, and the leather is so soft. It does have the tiniest bit of corner wear. I had no idea that it had any, and I honestly think it's just from sitting on the shelf, but I couldn't see it really until I started taking pictures of it, which I posted on my community page. It's nothing that's noticeable, like I didn't even know it was there, but I did want to point that out. It's got a nice back pocket. I love it. Crossbody. And I'm going to show you, it's got a nice strap that it comes with in addition to the chain and the top handle. So see, look how cute that is. Every time I put this bag on, I think I need to keep it because it's so stinking cute. But I have another ivory bag coming with silver hardware, so I thought I would let this go. The bag, I believe it retailed for $5.98 in the regular lambskin. I think it may have been a little bit more for the crinkled calfskin, which is what this is. And I was originally going to let it go for a little over $300, but when I discovered that tiny bit of corner wear, which like I said, I didn't even know was there until I took close-ups, but when I discovered that tiny little bit of corner wear, I decided to let it go for $225. So it's almost probably around 70% off. It is still a fabulous bag, and like I said, every time I try it on, I think, oh, maybe I should keep that bag. It's so pretty, but I do have one coming that is kind of similar, and I figured I could let this one go. So if you're interested in any of the 3 bags that I just showed you, make sure to send me an email at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com or DM me on Instagram. My name there is the same as my YouTube name. It's the @ then the handbag housewife, all lowercase. So you can contact me those 2 ways. I ship extremely fast, and I ship with insurance, so you don't need to worry about anything. I love all of these bags. I'm just selling them because I'm trying to get some new things and declutter just a bit because I have over 100 bags. Yes, I know that's insane. And it's okay to let some of them go when I'm bringing in new ones. Otherwise, I might be considered a hoarder, although I might be considered a hoarder already. So at this point, I'm going to go see if my youngest is awake so he can help me do the giveaway. Okay, so I know I said that I was going to wait till my youngest got up to do the giveaway, and I am, but I did want to go ahead and show you what the prizes are. The first prize I want to show you is this beautiful faux leather pebbled camera bag in the color purple. It's got this cute little tassel on it. This was generously donated by seafoodpurses.com for my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. And Leanne included this gorgeous strap. I love this strap with this bag. It is so pretty. I mean, look at that. Is that not fabulous? I think I should go ahead and try it on just so you guys can appreciate its beauty. This bag and this strap combo is great for fall, but I think it would work other times of the year as well. You can wear it on the shoulder like that, or you can extend it and wear it crossbody. It's great either way. The second item for the giveaway was generously gifted to me by Dress Up Your Purse. This is part of the Dream Collection. It's the Midnight Purple color series, and it is just a gorgeous little clutch. I believe it will hold an iPad mini. It looks really good with some of the Louis Vuitton pieces in the similar color palette, but it comes with this chain, and I find that it is just perfect as a crossbody on me. I'm 5'8" and about 150 pounds. This bag is made out of lambskin, and the inside is a black vachetta leather. Just stunning. And the clips are sticking out a little funny because I have them clipped on the inside, but you can also clip them right here on the outside, and that makes them lay just perfectly. I clipped them on the inside so I could tuck them inside easily. Final item in the giveaway is this Longchamp E-Cut backpack. And it is super cute. It is a nylon material. It's very similar to the Les Pliage line, except for it has this drawstring here, which is super cute. I love that extra added leather detail. I have it shortened on one side so I can show you. It looks really cute, slung on the shoulder. But of course you can also wear it as a backpack. I just wanted to do a quick mod shot so you could see how pretty this bag is. It is a stunner. And it would go with a whole lot of fall colored outfits. So those are the 3 items. Let me go see if my son's awake so we can do the giveaway. Okay, so here is the moment of truth. I have my youngest here. He's not quite awake yet, but he's gonna help us pick the 3,000 subscriber winners. And so we will start with winner number 1. Who's winner number 1?
Diane S.
Yay, Diane! So make sure, Diane, that you comment, or well, actually, Diane, I will comment and reply to your comment, and then we can get in touch through email or Instagram DM, and then you can select which of the 3 prizes you would like. What about winner number 2?
I'm gonna go with J.H. Wright.
J.H. Wright. Yay! So you are winner number 2. So after Diane S. has picked which prize she wants, then you will get the second choice of the remaining 2 items. And again, I will reply to your comment with the fact that you are winner number 2, and then we can communicate through email or Instagram DM. We have 1 to go. That was 2. 1 to go. What's number 3?
Finally, I'm gonna choose Susan LaBarca.
Ooh, Susan, you are lucky winner number 3. So all you have to do is watch out for my reply to your comment and then contact me through Instagram or through my email, and I will let you know which of the prizes is left that you will receive, because after the first 2 pick, it will be whichever one of the 3 is left for you, Susan. So I hope all 3 of you love your prizes. I will get them out to you early next week. I let my youngest go on his way because I actually woke him up to do this. I wanted to get this done real quick. We've got a busy weekend planned. And so I just want to close out and say, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.